Life? Yeah.
No.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to go to line 126. How did I get line 126? I just picked it. Okay, how are you going to know which line? They're going to tell you. Okay, so they'll tell you. Now, let's say I have a sample size, no, I have a population size of 50. Okay? And I need a sample size of 5. And I have 50 people to choose from. Choose. Boy, my handwriting. Boy, my notes are really great for this class. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is I need to figure out how I'm going to label my people. So I have 50. So do you guys, it doesn't matter. I can label them 0, 1 to 50, or I could do 0, 0 to 49. Either one of them gives me 50, correct? If I count 0, 0, 1 to 50, or 0, 0 to 49. What I'm going to go through now is I'm going to go through my random digits table, and I'm going to look, I'm going to come across the first 5 that fall between 0, 1, and 50. That's what I'm going to use. Okay, and I told you we're going to start at line 126. So the first 2 numbers are 96. Is that in my 0, 1 to 50? Is 96 in there? Nope. Then I'm going to go to the next 2. So I've already done 96. Now I'm going to go to 92. Is 92 in mine? Is 92 in my 0, 1 to 50? Sometimes you're going to have to answer me. Is 92 in my sample? Okay, now I'm going to go to 71. In my sample? 99. 31. So I'm going to write 31. 31 is in my sample, so I'm going to write whoever 31 is, they're going to be in my sample. I'm going to ask them to be in my sample. Now that was 31. Now I'm going to go to 36. Is 36 in my sample?
Yeah.
So I'm going to write 36. 3 more to go. Then I'm going to go to 80. 80 in my sample? 97? 41. So then I'm going to write 41 down.
I have a question.
Yep.
Would you, if you get it?
So the question is, if you came up with 0, 9, can you just write in the number 9? Yes, because you've already, in the table, you know what you need to look for. You need to look for 0, 9, but you can write 9 because it's the 9th person. So where was I? We're on line 26, and we got to 36, 80. We're at 41. 92? No. 77? 56?
Yes. Oh,
No, because it's 50, right? 78? 87? 41?
Yes.
It is, but did we already write 41 down? We already wrote it down, so we can't pick them again. So we're going to go again. 48? Okay. So we were at 48, right? Where was I? 48. What about 40?
Yes.
And is that our 5? That is our 5, so we're done. That's how you use a random digits table. Now, what happens, the next question is, well, what happens if you run out? Like, what if you can't find 5 in that one line? Then you would continue to the next line. So you do with the first line that they give you, and you keep continuing until you get the number of people that you want. So, now what we're going to do is you guys are going to practice on your own. What I want you guys to do is I want you to start at line 140. Okay, we're going to start at line 140. I am going to tell you we have 500 people, so that's how I've labeled them. and I want you to find the first 4 people in my group. Okay, so line 40, I numbered them 001 to 500. I want you to find the first 4 people in my group. Line 140, right? So is 129 in my group? You guys can't see that. So I've got 129, 325, 304, right? 129, 751, 325, 813. Oh, is it 048?
Yeah, it's 048.
Which is 48. And then the last one, 451?
Yeah.
Is that what you guys got?
Yes. We don't have to do 048, right?
No, you can just write 48. I just write it there because I've numbered it, but you would not get it wrong on a test if you wrote 129, 325, 48, and 451. Okay, so the important thing is that if I give you a problem and you go to label it, you know how to label it. So you know that if I give you 20 people, you're going to give it 2 digits. If I give you, not 20, yeah, if I give you 20 people to choose from, you know you have to give those 20 people 2 digits. If I give you 100, you can go 2 digits or 3 digits, yes.
Now, with this type of table, is this only used for testing?
Yes.
There's
mean,
no other application for it?
but when they used to pick people, this is how they used to pick it. But no, now they use calculators a lot. But for you guys, it's testing, but you have to know how to use it because they're not going to let you use your calculator. I just use your calculator because we are going to do a lab with it, and I needed you to know how to use the random digits function. Are there any other questions? I forget that this is only a 50-minute class because I'm like, okay, now we're going to move to the next thing. But I'm like, oh no, random digits takes about this long. Okay, so hybrids tonight. The only thing that's going to be in your folder tonight is the random digits chart. Tomorrow you'll have something else, but that's about it. And I thank you.